Good morning, everybody. I just thought I would share one of my ideas for our day old chicks. As you can see, this is a 25-inch pipe, PVC pipe, that we have taken and inserted the water nipples for them to drink, which I'm hoping that would actually prevent them from climbing into water like they normally do in the watering cans, water buckets that normally gets used. So what happens is actually the pipe is going alongside the outer wall and comes to a bucket, which I then fill up with water. So when they drink, the water will come out. So the chicks are coming this afternoon and we'll be able to test and see how this works. And then for the food, what we've done is we've taken a 100-inch pipe, inserted it into a I'm not sure even what they call these pipes, which is going down, and then it actually goes into a smaller, into a 50, which comes down, and you'll see on the side we have made smaller holes, big enough for the day old chicks to eat, so that the food will be put in once the chicks have come. I've done it from the one side, as well as we have done it from the other side, making the pipe not too long that the food does not go right through. So we've made two shorter ones from each side. Then obviously our lighting, the lights are not what, I don't have the covering for the lights, which I am supposed to get, but due to us being on lockdown here in South Africa, I'm unable to find them. These are bulbs that I still had with my first lot of chicks that I just experimented with. So we're just going to reuse them until I can get the correct cover for them. You know, in case the bulb blows, that you don't have the glass pieces lying in between them. So what I've done actually is, because of my space being so small, we have lifted the chicks basically incubator from the ground and made it against the wall, saving space at the bottom where you can still put feed. Or even when the chicks are bigger, what happens is they go to the ground and you've got ample space. It's just, for me, it's easier above the ground, less bending over, less, working upright. Obviously I've already put the sawdust, getting prepared for the new chicks, and you'll see I've actually taken a fish tanks thermometer and placed it in here. At the moment it is 19, but that is due to I've rolled up all the sides so that fresh air can go through. So what we've done is we've got the enclosure, but instead of closing up completely, we've put the tent canvassing on the outside to roll up and down when needed if it gets too hot. We do have days, that it can get very hot, and then we have days that it can get very cold as well. So for me, this works better for a little bit of ventilation as well when needed. But this afternoon my chicks will be here. I've ordered 100 Australorps, that's the black chickens, and I've also ordered 100 boilers. So let's see what happens this afternoon when I put them in, and then I'll take another video.